Hey guys, Nightbus from Free Hill. And today we're going to do a free mocha challenge.
I already have 3 mochas.
Yeah.
I picked them for the video.
Yep. My turn. One.
Come on. What's this note? Oh.
No, I got. These are not opened. I got to take away this one not opened.
No, it's not. Oh yeah, you can take away that one. It's not sharpened. But look, here is brown. Well, it's basically cut as 3 because you have brown, orange, and this.
This is not opened either.
Yeah, you have those.
No, this.
No, you can do it.
Those are cool.
Which color isn't sharpened?
A brown color, and you keep switching them all out.
Okay, I'm black.
And no, that's 3. Brown, orange, and black. Brown, orange.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Joe, so you're gonna pick.
Hey,
I'm.
there's a Rubik's Cube.
It's in the cleaner room, so it's probably.
Oh, there it is. Oh, where's the corner pieces? There's one.
No, let's get another piece.
What? I'm losing a different piece now?
So like it was like this tall, like adult, yeah, and like he was like, dude, what are you doing? It was just like a white, like gray silhouette and dark doorway, and he was just like
Literally walks like you guys do.
he was there for like a split second, and then
What?
oh my knees.
Let me just wait until we find it.
So guys, I'm finally coming.